Good morning, grade 8. Today we are going to take lesson number 3 about social media. Social media, there are different platforms where you can communicate with people, you can chat with people, you can send your data, your pictures, your video to the people. So, Unit 4, lesson number 2, page number from 115 to 122. We're going to learn that how to use Facebook and Twitter to keep in touch with your friends and how to use internet to communicate with others. So the first thing, if you want to sign into the Facebook page, you need to write facebook.com on your address bar. So let's go to your Google, open Google. On your address bar, write facebook.com. This is here the website. If you write facebook.com, there is different type of screens, home screen come in front of you. Maybe if this type of screen or another type of screen. So let's suppose if you get this screen, you can change different languages in Facebook. Facebook is what? Facebook is a social network for people who share interest, activities, backgrounds, or real life connection. Each user has a virtual representation, which is called profile. Your profile may be with different name, with different picture, as well as his or her social link. You will get the social link that anyone can join you, which is called a network. So Facebook provides means for user to interact over the internet, such as email and instant messaging. Also, people can share events, news through which other people within their network without geographical restriction. So user must register to create a personal profile and other users as friend and exchange message include automatic notification where they upload their profile. So this is the home page of your Facebook. Let's suppose if you already have an account, you just need to put your account here and your password here. Let's suppose if you don't have an account and you are a new user, so for that case you need to click create new account. Or if you know the account but you forget the password, so then forget password and you see the steps. So if we are a new user, then create a new user to learn that how can we sign up. Here is the process that start coming in front of you. You need to put your first name, second name, then you do the let's suppose my first name Anam, second name Ahmed, next. Okay, date of birth, whatever is it, then again next. It's looked like they enter wrong information. Okay, let's suppose I just change the year. Okay, here the phone number, then later they will ask you, I'm not creating an account right now. Okay, and then they will ask you different more further steps. You need to just follow the steps and continue, put your mobile number. Then later you need to create some password, some tricky password. They give you two options that rewrite it again. When you're done at the end, you are ready with your email and then you can open the profile. Now let's go back and we do login. Oh, sorry, just a second. So when you enter to your Facebook account, the profile screen will come in front of you where you can change your profile picture. You can upload the picture. You just need to go click your profile and then you got the option upload photo or add frame or do some editing. So let's suppose you want to upload photo. You just click upload photo here and it's all easily your profile will be changed. Now, what else can you do? There is furthermore options, news feed, the pages you follow, you get the information about them, about the pages, what is the new thing, what are the new things on your Facebook. Here is your messenger where you can get different messages from different people who you added already. Then what can you explore? You can explore some, if you have your own pages, then you can explore your own page from this pages, the groups, event if you want to create, or furthermore groups you enter, you will find all on your explore area. In this area you can put the status. The status can be in a written form, it can be in a photo or a video form, or you can even put some feelings and some activity. So you just need to click your status. This is your search area of your Facebook, where you can search the people, search the pages, or search the group, whatever you want. Just need to write here whatever you want to search it, and the result will come in front of you. Now, when you click any profile, you get the options here: add friend or message. You have two options. If you want to add that person to you, what you do, you write the name on the search area, on the search bar. When you write the name of the person on the search bar, you get different options, because there is maybe more than one Amina in this world. So if you just write Amina, a lot of Amna will appear in front of you. Okay, what if you write Amna Ahmad or Amna Muhammad? Then you again get further more names. So you have an option, yes, which one is her profile. You will recognize her from the profile, or you will recognize her from some specific characters. Maybe she writes Amna Ahmed with different font, with different letter style. So when you done find it, click the profile, and then you get the option add friend or message. If you want to add her into your friend list, you can simply add friend. And if you want to send the message, you just need to click message, and the messenger pop-up will appear in front of you, so you can easily send message to her. You can use Facebook account on your mobiles also, and it is not necessary just to use it on your laptops. You can use it on your mobile phones also. Second thing, if you want to find some friend, you don't want to find them by their name, you just want random friends to add. So there is an option on your Facebook toolbar that you just need to click find friends, and different friends appears in front of you. First, the top are your mutual friends, that the friend you add, their friends said in a suggestion, or maybe you get some random friends. So you have options, yes, do you want to add them or no. There is a small icon, it's shaped like a man and have a red dot up. It's mean that you have a friend request, someone send you the request. So if you want to see who's that person, you need to click the profile and accept, or you can cancel it also. From this globe mark, all your notifications appear: who like your picture, who like your post, who commented there, someone share your post, someone write on your wall. Anything related to you comes to this icon. Understand, girls?
Yes.
Okay, so again, here you can write the post, and you can write post by your picture or video. You can sometimes you can do live chat also on Facebook. You just need to click live video, and you will contact with the people live. Whatever you are talking, they will listen to you live. And then events, you can create some events also on Facebook. Now, when you are writing the post, you get the option news feed or your story. So if you just check news feed, it's mean it will appear to everybody's news feed. But if you click your story, so on your messenger, it will appear as a status also. So you can choose the both options and then post. And there is another thing, that in front of a news feed, you will find a drop down list where you can choose either you want it to show this post to your friends only. Is it a public post? Everybody, even they add you or they don't add you, they can see it. Or your friend, except you have some more options, or friends of friends. Like, for example, Amna is my friend and Layan is Amna's friend on Facebook. So it's mean that the post which I shared, and I have option friends of friend, Layan can also see, because Layan is a mutual friend of Amina. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, so now
Clear.
what you can do, comments on some people post, like you find some post you like it, there is an option like comment and share. So if you want comment, you just need to click comment and write whatever comes in your mind. You can comment with the help of some emojis, with the picture, some GIF, or some stickers. You can like, when you hold the like for seconds, you get different like options, like heart shape or cute shape, different options, you'll find it here. So whatever in your mind, it's the same thing like newsfeed, you can write it. Let's suppose you create a post about just simple coffee. The next thing is Twitter. What is Twitter? Twitter is the same type of thing. Twitter, what we can do on Twitter, it is also safe account. Twitter, it is also social network and micro blogging. In Twitter you can blog, but it's a micro blogging services that enable its user to send and read short text messages, and we call it tweet. The post that you see on Twitter, it's not a post, we can say that it is a tweet. You can use it on your phone also, you can use it on your desktop. Twitter offers many features to user. It allows you to send and read other users' tweet. Tweets are limited to 140 characters. You cannot write more than that. And because they look like tiny blog posts, this process is called microblogging. In Facebook, you can write paragraphs. There is no limitation, but in Twitter, because they are tweets, so there is a limit to write some post on Twitter. Second thing, this is called microblogging, and you can send and receive update via Twitter website, SMS like text messages and emails. You can restrict delivery to the circle of your friend, like deliver to everyone is a default. So you can change also the setting that you want to deliver it to few people or your friends or whatever. You can search for people by name in the Twitter also. You can search the peoples. You can just write the name of the person on your Twitter account, whatever is it. For example, let's suppose it's Robin, so you will write Robin, and you get same thing like you do on Facebook, different options. Then another thing that the people, you know, or people who have agreed to receive your tweets or your thought tweets are called the followers. So the one who want to see you, who want to see your page, they will going to click follow from your profile. So they are your followers. They will going to follow you, whatever you post. They will going to see it. Now that you know what is Twitter, so there are some more features that how can you upload a profile pictures, you can upload some post or some status, you can find some friends also there. Same thing when you want to enter account, create account, you must create a strong password with your email, with your mobile. Here the notifications, web notifications, you can block some users, you don't want them. So there are some basic rules for a dialogue that whenever you tweet, that there are some rules that always respect other people' opinion, if even if you don't agree with them, but you have to respect, okay, and try to understand other people' point of view, and then say yours in a polite way. When you tweet something, maybe someone replied to your tweet in a bad way, in a rough way, but you don't supposed to reply them in the same way. You have to reply them in a polite way. Don't use bad language even to your close friends, because this is a public figure. The other people don't know that you guys are friends. You are talking friendly with each other. The other people, the other persons will judge you. So even if they are your friend, your close friend, your best friend, don't use the bad language. Then try to use punctuations when it is needed. When you upload some post, you can use punctuations, full stop, comma. They can change the meanings of your word, okay? Don't delete posts that you don't agree with. Instead, try to explain your point of view. Only delete posts if someone say bad thing to you or your friends, and if someone posted that thing, then delete it. Or if someone is bullying you, delete them or block them and report it to your parents. Just if you feel, yeah, other person is not nice to you, you can delete the post or you can block them easily. So you guys understand the lesson?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good. Only this is our lesson.